Hi students, let us do one more division problem, long division problem. So we have a question like this: divide x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 by x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, now we should arrange the terms in order, isn't it? This polynomial is arranged in order, but we have a problem here. X cube term is missing, isn't it? X cube term is not there, it's not present. So we should write that polynomial as x power 4, and if some terms are missing, we should write them as 0x cube. Okay, plus 0x cube or minus 0x cube, it doesn't matter. Okay, but we should write it as 0x cube. Now the other term is 3x square, then we have 4x, and then we have 5. Okay, so this is our dividend. Now it should be divided by x square plus 1 minus x. If you observe carefully, this polynomial is not arranged in order, isn't it? So let us go ahead and arrange that in order. It would become x square minus x plus 1, isn't it? Now let us divide this. X square minus x plus 1, okay? And the dividend is x power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Alright. Okay, now what was our first step? Now what was the step? Now we should take x power 4 then divide by x square, isn't it? That means how many times x square is going in x power 4. So x power 4 divided by x square will give us x square, isn't it? So we should write that x square here and then multiply x square with x square minus x plus 1, this polynomial, isn't it? So let us go ahead and multiply. We'll get x power 4 minus x cube plus x square. Okay, all right. So this will be x power 4 minus x cube plus x square. All right, now we should change signs because we are subtracting, right? So this is plus, plus would become minus, minus would become plus, and plus would become minus. Okay, so x power 4 minus x power 4 will give us 0. You have 0x cube plus x cube, this will be x cube. Okay, minus 3x square minus x square, it will be minus 4x square, and let us bring this 4x here, it will be plus 4x. All right, let me just delete this part, we don't need this anymore. Okay, now we should take x cube and divide by x square, isn't it? So x cube divided by x square will give us x. So we should write that x here, it is plus x, isn't it? And that x should be multiplied by x square minus x plus 1. So let us multiply x cube minus x square plus x. Okay, so this is x cube minus x square plus x. All right, let me just rub this again. All right, now change signs, right? So plus would become minus, minus would become plus, and plus would become minus again. So x cube minus x cube will become 0, and minus 4x square plus x square will become minus 3x square, plus 4x minus x will become plus 3x. Okay, and we have 5 left, right? So let us bring that 5 down here. All right, and then we have to follow the steps again, right? 3x square divided by x square will give us minus 3. Okay, so we should write minus 3 here. Alright, and that minus 3 should be multiplied by x square minus x plus 1. So this would become minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. Okay, minus 3x square, minus into minus plus 3 into x will give us 3x, minus into plus minus 3 into 1 will give us 3. Okay, so this will become minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. All right, so let me just go ahead and rub this. Now change signs, right? So this is minus, it would become plus, and this is plus, it would become minus, and this is minus, it would become plus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square will become 0. Okay, now we have 3x minus 3x, even that would become 0. Plus 5 plus 3 will give us plus 8. All right, so when x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is divided by x square plus 1 minus x, the quotient is x square plus x minus 3, and the remainder is 8. All right, so see, the most important part in this problem is if some terms are missing, like for example in this we don't have x cube, isn't it? So we should write it as 0x cube. Plus 0x cube or minus 0x cube, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, but write it as 0x cube, right, if some terms are missing. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful, and I'll make one more video based on division of polynomials. Okay.